We've been traveling for days and we still haven't found a shelter. Well, yeah, we didn't find a shelter yet because I think it's about to rain. You're probably right. Candy? Yeah, I can agree with that. And I'm healed. Yay. Get out of my way, people. Ooh. By the way, I'm hungry, so I'm gonna eat some food. That was good. Okay, let's go. What do we have to do? Oh my. Oh, is that a shelter? Oh, yes, it's a shelter. Come on, guys. Wow, it's nice. It is nice. Dun, 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 dun. Is that it? Hello, little auntie. Hello, little aunt. Now get out my house. Our shelter. Oh, it's nice and warm up in here. Yeah. Cannonball. Move out of my way. Tonight is the night. Yeah. Tonight is the night. That Monday Night Raw. Oh yeah, Monday Night Raw. I heard of that. It's like some WWE thing. Oh yeah, how'd you know? How'd you ever hear of that? Probably because of humans. They had it in the car. Okay. So stupid. Yeah, no. Well, we should go hunt for some food. I will stay here. Panda and Polly will stay here. So Wolfie and Leo will go searching for food. Okay. Well, stay on guard actually until some prey arrives. Okay. Still haven't seen anything. Oh my gosh. Man. Ooh, I seen her. Lily! Come on, you need to hurry your butt up. There's animals. Come on. Get your butt up. Heinz, Vine, Schmine, Trap, Rolled. He pounced. What the? Nice catch. Please, don't hurt my daughter. Please don't hurt my daughter. Don't hurt my daughter. Don't hurt her. Please don't hurt her. Please don't hurt her. Please don't hurt her. Stand back. You will be no longer until we find prey. And guess what? Maybe you should be our prey. Hey, what's all the chit chat? Kill them already. Sir, master, let's get on. Okay, Oh, my paw. Is your paw okay? Is your paw? It's bleeding a little bit. Ooh. Nice takedown for a little pup. Oh. Oh, there's our other dog buddy. Hi, dog buddy. Ooh. Becca. This is a blooper, by the way. Becca, look at my dog. This is my dog, Legend. Legend. Look. See, that's what he looks like.
Make sure he doesn't hit the piano.
Back to the story. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Where was I? Okay. Oh, please. No. You could stay alive and join. Do you want to?
No!
Really?
Get him out!
You can join our pack. Only if you help us kill your parents. Yes or no? Yes. Go. Great. Put them on a food pile. A few years when you later. Hey, I joined your pack and now I'm all big and strong. By the way, this is a little girl who killed her mom. So, now what should we do? Ooh, Panda! What do you want, lady? I'm getting tired of this. Well, since this is the weird storyline of this, I'm gonna go on Sugar Rush. Stay tuned for next time. Goodbye. It's still recording. What the heck?